Thank you so much, dosto. Join Kilkumer Chayam. Good morning, everyone. So let's start the today's session. So talk about the welcome to you all. So this is a request from everyone that don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching. So let's move to the today we are going to cover the modeling part, how to model the data. Like we have the multiple options that how should I use, how should I configure the things, and how to model it. So for this, let me do from the start scratch. So go to the
Hello. Hello.
so if you have any means doubt, so definitely you can put in the chat your questions and we'll try to answer your question, don't worry. So for this, how to model data. To modeling prospect, we must go to the load any data. So we are going to use the Excel file. So use the source and then use any data. Financial simple. Meanwhile, it's loading. Just let load it, and thereafter we'll do that. Okay, so in this data we need to model it. So modeling prospect, we have multiple options that we need to use it. So first talk about the you can say I wanted to categorize it. Okay, so how do I do the modeling? Each steps by steps we try to cover the all options here. So start doing it. So first part, let's copy it, and I wanted to create the segment table. So give the name segment table, which is called dimensions, and after that we have option here called remove other column. Remove column means particular I want to remove it. Like suppose I want to remove the segment column, then I can do that. But no, I wanted to keep this column as it is. And so I wanted to, apart from this, everyone can remove, other column should be removed. So using this can do that. Let's talk about the next part. If you have anyone question, so please put in the chat, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel too. Two part is very important. So there is no harm in it. Okay, after that you can just after that you can easily just go for the remove duplicate from here. Today we are starting the modeling, just started. So how to use the modeling in the Power BI, that I'm doing it. So after that you can just remove the duplicate here, and just see this remove option has been, all duplicate has been removed. Thereafter we go to the, obviously if you need any table, we need a unique ID for it to identify it. So for this you need to put the ID. So I'm going to put the custom ID 100 plus 100 and increment 1. Even you can do automatic too, so but I want to do this. So I wanted to give this segment ID, segment underscore ID. And you know that usually what happens, that the table is coming, ID is coming first, so you can change this way. It will capture all thing here. If something which is not relevant for me, you can remove, and after that you can restore it. But since I needed that, so why should I not do that? So okay, let's talk about the next part. Same way you can do other two. So I wanted to copy it, duplicate, then I wanted to create the country table. So for country prospects, apart from the country, other should be removed. So let's do it. Remove other. You know, if you remove it, then country column can be removed only. If you remove other, then remove other column. Apart from the other column, let's check it. So I have selected the country column. I wanted to remove it. That particular column, I can do that. Now I wanted to restore it. So just there is applied steps we have, and you can just remove the removed column option. Then automatically it's restored. Now see, this column is appear now. So next I wanted to remove, apart from the country column, other column apart from the country column, means keep country column and going to remove other column too. So remove others, and since it has a duplicate values, so I'm going to remove duplicate. Now I wanted to pass the unique ID, you know, as usual. So here I wanted to give the default value. So either you can start from the 0. So let's start with the 0. I don't want to 0 because 0 in a unique ID doesn't looks good. So let's remove it. I wanted to give from 1. So 1. So country ID started from 1. Country ID. You have a question that why am I doing is because the reason is that every dimension need unique ID to link with another table. That's the reason. So you can do that. Okay, next part. If you are doing this same way, you can do other two. So let's do it for the, you can do product, unit sold, one, and everything. Why am I doing it? I wanted to disclose this data to the customer. So in that scenario, we need to do that. And today we will create the in last we will create the waterfall chart using these tables. So after that, segment table, country, this way you can format it. After that, talk about the keep column. So like suppose, let me duplicate it. Use the keep columns. Keep column. So suppose I wanted to remove the top 10. So click on that here. Keep rows. Click top 10. Top 10 keep it. See this top 10 is appear. top 10. Now I wanted to keep bottom 10. So how to do the bottom 10? Duplicate it and bottom 10. So bottom 10, choose bottom, keep bottom 10. So I kept bottom 10. Next, let's duplicate it. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, so please put on the chat. Next, keep in the range. So range, first row 20, number of rows 5. So 20 to 5 rows, I mean last 20 to 5 rows, 20 rows is deleted from me, only keep 5 rows from 20. Mean 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 table keep it, other one is remove it. So let's move to the range rows. Thereafter then move to the remove top, bottom and remove duplicate. So for this let's test it. Here I wanted to remove the top rows. So I wanted to remove the top 10 rows. Top 10 we have channel partner, see this. Now top 10 has the government, so it will remove it. Thereafter bottom 10, so bottom 10 also can be deleted. Bottom 10 also you see this 680. Now remove alternate rows, first row from the remove, so 10 10 and to keep it 100. 100. And this way you can remove it. Let's move to the other part too. So for this you can append and merge too. So append, merge. For this what you need to do, just append here. So we have the table, like you do 2 tables we have. I wanted to append together. So how to do that? Click I wanted to create a new one. Let merge new one. So merge as a new. So then I wanted to merge country table. So country and country. So I merge with the new table. See this. We see this merge appear here. So now I can select the country ID instead of country name. And I'm going to remove the country name. If in case if sometime we have a sensitive data, so we can easily this way manage, give the ID and ID can particular link with the particular table, then it will work. So this way you can do that. Next part, append. So how to append that? Just click on that path function and append as a new. Append, if you want to append particular table, then select that table, and if you want to you can say publish in finance path, append data in that particular table, then I use the append queries after selecting the table. But I wanted to append as a new, so append as a new, click append as a new. Second is financial data, and if you have a 3 column 4 tables, then you need to do this way. So let's remove it, click twice, and then you can append here. Now append as a new. Say this, it has the, check how many rows we have, 700 rows it has. Now it has the 1000 plus 1400 rows. So now let close and apply. Let close and apply. Just I'm closing and apply. You can get this video on the below description. I've already pasted the chat, paste in the description too. So let's move to the new tab. So now we are going to cover the today you can say waterfall chart, because it's critical for the user to build it. So let's start from the beginning. So first we need to build the header. So header, let's move first, build the background. So background part, click here, go to the canvas background, give the page name day2, and then I don't want to change the size is good for me. Canvas background, so I wanted to change color to something different, so I choose this, and then I reduce the transparency so that it will display, and thereafter now use the different color today. Yes, little bit. Yeah, perfect. So next, let's use the visual first. So visual prospects, you know that if you're going for interview, if someone give the waterfall chart, little hard to build that for you, I know that. So let's begin with that. So first we need to add the header here. So header prospect, I just do it. See this? Then build future life PowerBI day 2. Okay, day 2. So let's select that and increase the font. I come to the middle and bold it. Okay, now sounds good. And let's change the effect. Give the background color a little bit darker. Yes. No, give the different color so that it will display. So I'm using this color. Now, if you then obviously if I have a company and organization looking for their logo as well, so logo prospect, go to the insert image. I am going to build the today waterfall chart because people have suggestion that add that, so I'm creating it. So go to the your image. So here we have the final logo, and let's reduce the size and then decrease the font size, and after that paste here. You know that if I click that, it will automatically hide. So to this, click here, format, bring to the front, and if I now you can click here, it will hide, but once you click outside, automatically appear here. Now next thing is the refresh part. It's usually do that. You always, whenever you create the dashboard, you must do it. So let's do it by this. Okay, then what I need to do, just add the you can say date and time here. So since we have the financial data table, so I'm going to add the here, not here. So just wait. Yes, so we have financial table, and I'm not going to modify custom column. Then use the refresh date and time. So local, now there is a function in Power Query, and pass it. It will automatically pick up the date and time. See this 1019 appear automatically, and we need date and time both. And now close and apply. Load it. Okay, thereafter the second part is that use the cardboard and select that column. So financial, I created the refresh date, select that, and see this, I don't want to show the label here, so hide the category label here, reduce the size 45 to 10, and adjust the set. Even adjust from here to general property height. Check the 85. No, I think 20. 25. Yes, 25, and width reduced to 100. Not 120. I think so. Yeah, 50 is good. So width is good, looking good for me. Next part, add the text box, because whatever you did showing, what is the meaning, what is the reason, what is it? So for this we need to give the label. So last refreshed date. So let's adjust it. Even you can do it by here too. So we change the 25 and width is 150. Last refresh date. Let me check, change as per his size. Yes. So little bit wider. So let me reduce the size little bit. Yes, perfect. Now I am going to hide this one. And since you know that I wanted to move together this, so just select both of them together and then group it and say this. Okay, let ungroup it, and I always should put front of it, bring to front, and then select this one, thereafter select this one and group it. And now say this is last refresh date. It's look like this. Then paste here. Let's change the size little bit, 20, and then appear front of this, bring to front. Now go to the here. So here we have a category, breakdown, axis level, and tooltip. So we need how should I do that? So for this we must give the category for it. So category we need to create from the modeling part. So let's come to the create the modeling. So we have financial data. I wanted to categorize each segment, category, product, discount band against the each amount. So let's unpivot that. Unpivot selected only, and it has the segment, country, and this. So now we have everything on the place. So this one we are going to select the categories, then values, thereafter amount we pass it. So let's close and apply financial data. Oh sorry, I think this one is not found, that doesn't give the error. So wait, let me create the duplicate and remove the steps from here. I think here. And this is for waterfall chart. This I wanted to create the waterfall chart. So for this we must have a category and as well as breakdown. So unpivot select only, and we have the attribute and values. So see how I use this and build that. So let me do it, close and apply. Let me load it. What happened whenever you're going to create the waterfall chart, then you don't have the, you can say, don't get the option to give the particular value. So to save this, I have just see this here, waterfall chart. Now it has a category. So category I need attributes, and then we have a values. So is a breakdown against what? Against cells. And now see this. Even you can go for more, categorize it. doesn't mean that this only. I can more customize it. So let's do it one by one. So suppose we have a segment, medium, high, low, other, small business, government, discount band. Now I want to see, instead of other, I want you to see the some control on that. So let's move it. Ascending order. By attribute. Say this, by attribute we have a country. Thereafter we have the discount band, product and segment. So this particular option was available. Now still you can modify in that by label. So let's go for label and label by label. So I want this to be, whatever you're going to do that, it must change as per your label. So here we have the unit sold, manufacturing price, sales, gross unit. So I want to you can say I change the all category into unit sold, manufacturing price, sales, gross sales, discount, cognos and all. I'm going to want to pivot it so that we have more category and breakdowns in that. Okay, see this? We have attribute 1, attribute 2. So लिखो category and amount or value, you can say that. So let's close and apply. Now select the, remove this one, I don't want. So we have the categories and we have the category and amount. Attribute. We have categories and attribute breakdowns and thereafter sum of amount. So this way you can create the waterfall chart. Now water usually come to a high from the low. So this way we can customize that. But because see this gross sales is this, again down, again down, again down, again down. It's coming this sequence. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and we will see you next batch. So this way we can build the report. If you are looking for the more videos, more you can say segments, so if you need for more, so please ping to me. I'll definitely help you out. And Saturday, Sunday we have free classes provided to you, so you can join that. And if you're looking this one, so see this, increase decrease total, increase decrease total, it's going down automatically by category wise. So more you can try, because whatever you category breakdown give it to us, according to the breakdown it will decrease and increase it. Okay.
According to grammarhow.com, let me know if there is anything you need from me. Let me know if there is anything you need from me works well as another statement.
Thank you so much. So if you have any questions, so please paste in the chat. Definitely will try to answer you. See you in next Saturday and Sunday for free classes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, so please join my group, WhatsApp group, and ping me, Telegram group to ping me. Thank you so much for your time.